Gyula Benczur was born January 28, 1844, Nyiregyhaza, died July 16, 1920. Szecseny was a Hungarian painter and art teacher, an outstanding exponent of academicism. He specialized in portraits and historical scenes. He is considered one of the greatest Hungarian masters of historicism, where he continued to be an art teacher. One of his most distinguished pupils was the Swiss-born American painter Adolfo Müller-Ury. Benczur was later a favorite among the Hungarian upper class, painting numerous portraits of kings and aristocrats. He also created some religious works, notably altarpieces for St. Stephen's Basilica and Buda Castle.